Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, gas pressurized shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,